Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about Instagram story music option, where you only get English songs to upload on your story, but if you do not get local songs or Hindi songs, then how you can fix that. For example, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Instagram app, and here if you click on plus button here, and if you simply go to the story section here, and if you simply click a photo to upload that story, and if you click on here, then you can see that there is option available as music. But if you simply find on the English song, and if you search for any specific song and you do not get that song, then how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply close the Instagram app, and after that what you have to do next is you have to simply press and hold the app, and you have to simply clear the cache of your Instagram app. But before, you have to simply force stop the app, and if you are using iPhone or iOS device, you can simply offload the app. And here what you have to do next is you have to simply go to the Play Store, and you have to check whether you have to search for Instagram app, and you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. If it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the app. And if you still didn't get the Hindi songs in your Instagram story section, then how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply close this section, and you have to click on profile, and after that you have to click on three lines, and here you have to click on settings and privacy, and here you have to simply click on help, and after that you have to simply report the problem to Instagram team that what you are having, and after that you have to simply click on include and continue. In this way you can simply explain the problem to Instagram team, that what is the problem you are having, and you can simply also attach the screenshot of the problem, and after that you can simply send it to the Instagram team, and they will help you as soon as possible. In this way you can simply fix this error. Hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.